dear student, welcome in political science class. Student, today I have topic the various committees works and functions of the Indian Constitution. Students, Indian Constitution had made by the Constituent Committee, and committee have responsibility to discuss, find the solution by the majority to prepare the article. But behind the Constituent Committee, many committees worked and they had prepared a lot of draft for the Indian Constitution. The preparation of the Indian Constitution was not easy task. Reason: Indians got independent for a lot of sacrifice, and the leaders during time of the national freedom movement had promised all of the sections of societies, all of the groups, religious groups, caste groups, tribal groups, minorities, and the industrialist. If you will support the national freedom movement, when our rule will come, when our Raj will come, we will give the equal treatment by the law. So these promises for the unification of India had created in front of the Constituent Committee lot of restrictions, problems and challenges to make a unique committee, to make a unique constitution for Indians. So behind Constituent Committee was major committee for all members. But behind this Constituent Committee, many other major committees were worked and they had prepared the articles, the subjectives, and these subjects had discussed in the Constituent Committee, and after long debate and discussions, the proposals of various committees had passed by the Constituent Committee on the behalf of the majority. Students, we have listened the name of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Bhimrao Ambedkar is the father of Indian Constitution, and many other members had played very big role to prepare the Indian Constitution. Like Constituent Committee had worked as a family, and the family head was the chairman of the Constituent Committee. He was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Rajendra Prasad had played the role of headmaster of the Constituent Committee. So today I have brought a good topic for you. The various committees, those parallel worked the Constituent Committee, and they had planned how we can generate the articles for the Indians, a unique articles. So see, in Indian Constitution had made by the various committees like Union Power Committee. Union Power Committee was the committee to discuss about the union government after the independence, what works and functions will be union government. It was prepared, generated, created the rules for the union government, and this committee chairman was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And second other committee, Union Constitution Committee. Union Constitution Committee had created, generated the subjects for the Constitution. The major issue, how we will aid the Indian Constitution, it was the major challenge in front of the Union Constituent Committee. It was also chairman of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And third committee was the Provincial Constitution Committee. It was very tough and very important task, and the chairman was the Sardar Patel. What was work of the Provincial Constitution Committee? This committee had worked to discuss the all provincial state, princely state, and what they want, how the wishes and goals of the provincial we can aid as the article in the constitution. It worked ahead the provincial committee, and chairman was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And fourth committee, drafting committee. Drafting committee was among these committee was a major committee, broadest committee of the Constituent Assembly, and chairman was Dr. Bhimarao Ambedkar. And number fifth, advisory committee on the fundamental rights. It was also very big task has taken, and the chairman was Sardar Patel, and two another members, J.B. Kriplani, H.C. Mukherjee, and two were the supervisor to supervise the reasons and factors those we can include under the fundamental rights. Name was Gopinath Bardoli and A.V. Thakkar. The advisory committee on the fundamental rights had advised our very best examples for the fundamental rights include in the Indian Constitution under chairmanship of the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Students, and sixth committee, rules of procedure committee. How constitution will form, what will be procedure, how discussion will be, how we can pass the article, and what was the time of debate in the constituent committee. These things had proposed and generated by the rules of the procedure committee, and the chairman was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And the eighth committee, the string committee, and this committee chairman was also Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Students, in seventh committee, the state committee chairman was Jawaharlal Nehru, and Jawaharlal Nehru had responsibility to discuss the boundaries, areas, and major leadership of India for the state formation. And among them, I am going to explain about drafting committee. Among these committee, drafting committee was major committee. Those discussion and debate was proceed. All things written by hand by this committee. It was first work. And second work, after the debate and the discussion, when many papers and many bundles collected, because every area's views and critics demanded by these committees, all over Indians had written letter. The other persons, those want to include their wishes and goals, they sending the letter. A very big bundle collected in the Constituent Committee office, and it committee had worked to collect the important sources those can the subject of the debate and the discussion in the Constituent Committee. And after every discussion and debate, after the voting, when that article passed, what will be the model of that article, also it was completed by the drafting committee. So we can say among these committees, the various committees, those work for the forming of the constitution, drafting committee had played very big role. This vision we are telling Dr. Bhimarao Ambedkar is the father of Indian Constitution. He was very intelligent person. He had good idea. He had read the all over world constitution. Those were necessary for the India. It means democratic constitution, American constitution, Australian constitution, and many others world constitution. He had taken the views, and these views had kept in the office of Constituent Committee, and Constituent Committee had discussed and got the final result, and it had drafted by the hand of Dr. Bhimarao Ambedkar, and 6 other persons were worked under the chairmanship of the Dr. Bhimarao Ambedkar. They were also very important part of the Constituent Committee. Number first, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he was chairman and member. Number second, N. Gopal Swami Iyer. Third, Allad Krishna Swami Iyer. Number fourth person, Dr. K.M. Munshi. Number fifth, Sayyid Muhammad Sadullah. Number 6, N. Madhav Rao. And number 7, T.T. Krishnamacharya. These persons had helped, this 6-person committee of drafting committee had helped in the work of Ambedkar. What happened at last? First draft by the drafting committee published February 1948 for the public comments. Means the Indians will know how the Indian constitution are going to form and what will be articles and rules. After this publication, by the first drafting publication, February 1948, many views, many critics came, and again second draft published in October 1948, and this drafting committee had done very hard work to prepare the Indian constitution. At last, drafting committee had taken 141 days to draft the Indian constitution. Student, I have explained the various committee role and the role of the drafting committee to form and publish the Indian constitution. If we are enjoying the very good, successful constitution in our nation, and we have right to fulfill our goals and complete our life very successfully in India, it is the umbrella of Indian constitution. Indian constitution umbrella always protects of any problems of any Indians, any parts. Okay, student, thanks.